Looking to upgrade your kitchen experience with a powerful appliance? The best mixer grinder combines speed, durability, and versatility to handle everything from spices to smoothies. Discover how this essential tool simplifies food prep while saving time and effort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Preethi Eco Plus Mixer Grinder. The Preethi Eco Plus Mixer Grinder is a reliable kitchen companion designed to deliver efficient performance with its 550-watt motor, making it a great choice for both everyday and heavy-duty grinding needs. Built with 100% stainless steel jars, it offers durability and longevity while ensuring your food preparation stays hygienic. The flow breakers inside the jars help in achieving fine grinding, whether you're making smooth chutneys or coarse masala blends. Its machine-ground and polished steel blades are crafted for maximum efficiency, allowing you to save time in the kitchen. Another thoughtful feature is its high-grade nylon couplers, which ensure smooth and hassle-free operation, minimizing the chances of breakdown. The mixer also comes with transparent polycarbonate domes and lids, giving you a clear view of the contents as you grind or mix. The ergonomically designed sturdy handles make handling the jars safe and convenient. With 3 different stainless steel jars, 1.5 liter, 1 liter, and 0.4 liter, this mixer offers versatility for wet and dry grinding, whipping, churning, mincing, grating, and chopping. Whether you're a home cook or enjoy experimenting with diverse cuisines, the Preethi Eco Plus adapts to multiple kitchen tasks with ease. Practical, durable, and efficient, this mixer grinder is a dependable choice for anyone seeking a long-lasting appliance that simplifies everyday cooking. Number 2. Preethi Steele 3 Mixer Grinder. The Preethi Steele 3 Mixer Grinder combines durability and performance in an elegant stainless steel body that complements any modern kitchen. Equipped with powerful stainless steel jars, it is designed to handle a wide range of grinding needs, from chutneys to batters, with ease. The turbo vent technology ensures that the appliance stays cool during operation, reducing overheating while keeping noise levels lower than conventional grinders. This not only enhances the machine's performance, but also increases its lifespan. The redesigned couplers are made stronger to handle heavy loads, offering better durability during frequent use. A standout feature is the unique jar machine locking system that provides extra security while the grinder is in operation, ensuring peace of mind as you work with different ingredients. With its 3-jar configuration, 1.5 liter, 1 liter, and a 0.5 liter chutney jar, the appliance offers flexibility for both small and large grinding tasks. Whether you're preparing smooth pastes, dry powders, or thick batters, this grinder adapts seamlessly. Designed for convenience, it includes sturdy lids to prevent spills during use. Its strong build and thoughtful design make it ideal for busy households that need a reliable and efficient appliance. Offering both strength and style, the Preethi Steele 3 Mixer Grinder is a practical addition to any kitchen setup. Number 3. Preethi Eco 3-Jar Mixer Grinder. The Preethi Eco 3-Jar Mixer Grinder is built with efficiency and durability in mind, powered by a robust 550-watt motor that handles a variety of grinding and mixing tasks. Featuring 100% stainless steel jars with flow breakers, it ensures consistency and smoothness in grinding, whether you're working with dry spices or preparing fresh chutneys. The blades are machine ground and polished, which maximizes performance and allows you to finish food prep in less time. This model also comes with a super extractor, making it easy to remove pulp when preparing juices or purees, adding to its versatility. The high-grade nylon couplers ensure smooth and hassle-free operation even during extended use. Its transparent polycarbonate lids let you monitor progress, while the ergonomically designed sturdy handles provide safety and comfort. Offering 3 different stainless steel jars, 1.5 liter, 1.0 liter, and 0.4 liter, the appliance is versatile enough for wet and dry grinding, whipping, mincing, grating, or churning. The rotary switch with 3-speed settings and a pulse option allows for greater control, so you can tailor the texture to your exact needs. With its combination of strength, efficiency, and versatility, the Preethi Eco 3-jar mixer grinder is a reliable addition to the kitchen for anyone who enjoys cooking with precision and convenience. Number 4. Preethi Eco Twin-Jar Mixer Grinder. The Preethi Eco Twin-Jar Mixer Grinder is a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance that operates with a 550-watt motor, offering excellent performance for a wide range of grinding tasks. Operating at 110 volts, it is designed specifically for the US and Canadian market, making it a reliable choice for Indian cooking abroad. Crafted with rust-proof stainless steel jars and blades, it ensures both durability and food safety. The set includes a 1.50-liter jar with a detachable multi-purpose blade that conveniently converts to a 1.0-liter jar with the flexi lid, giving you added flexibility. Additionally, the 0.50-liter chutney jar converts to a 0.30-liter jar with the same flexi lid design, making this appliance space-efficient without compromising on function. Its UL certification provides added safety assurance, which is a standout feature compared to many other brands. The mixer is also user-friendly with its clear operational guidance, including a reset button at the bottom of the unit to troubleshoot minor issues quickly. While minor scratches on the jars or blades may occur due to the stainless steel material, these do not affect performance and are completely normal. Compact, versatile, and built for convenience, the Preethi Eco Twin is an excellent choice for individuals or families who need an efficient mixer grinder tailored for diverse Indian cooking needs. Number 5. Tabakh Prime Mixer Grinder. The Tabakh Prime Mixer Grinder is a well-designed, versatile kitchen tool that combines functionality with a sleek and modern aesthetic. Built with an impact-resistant ABS body, it not only looks stylish but also withstands the demands of daily use, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its 3-jar set includes a 1.5-liter jar for larger preparations, a 1-liter jar for medium tasks, and a 0.5-liter chutney jar for smaller grinding needs, offering the versatility needed for a wide range of recipes. Powered by a robust 650-watt motor, it provides more strength than many comparable mixers, allowing you to grind tougher ingredients like lentils, dry spices, and batters with ease. Designed specifically for 110-volt outlets, this appliance is perfect for households in the USA and Canada, bringing authentic Indian cooking convenience abroad. The vacuum rubber boots on the base ensure a firm grip, preventing the mixer from slipping during use and adding to user safety. The Tabakh Prime also comes with a 12-month warranty and a service center located in Illinois, offering easy support for US-based customers. With its combination of power, durability, and thoughtful design features, the Tabakh Prime Mixer Grinder is a dependable appliance that makes food preparation quicker and more efficient, meeting the needs of modern kitchens. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.